Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can turn on or turn off Android mobile phone without the power button. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Android mobile phone and let's say that I cannot use my power button to turn on or turn off my phone screen. So I'm going to show you how we can solve this problem. If you have double tap to turn on or turn off your screen, you can activate that feature on your Android mobile phone. You just need to go to your setting, and then usually the double tap to turn on or turn off the screen is in the advanced feature. So we need to go to the advanced features setting. Okay, here we need to go to the motion and gestures, and as you can see here, I have activated my double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. So I don't need to use the power button to turn on or turn off my screen. And I'm going to show you like this, guys. Okay, and if you don't have this feature on your Android mobile phone, don't worry guys, because I want to show you another method you can try. So you can download application from your Play Store. You can go to your Play Store and then you have to search for volume unlock. Okay, search for this application, and we're going to install this application on our Android mobile phone so we can unlock our phone with volume button. Okay, this application guys, you can tap on this application and then you can install this application on your Android mobile phone. Okay, now the application is being installed and hold on. Okay, it's almost done guys. Okay, and after this application has been installed on my Android mobile phone, I'm going to show you how we can use this application. Wait. Okay guys, and this is how the volume unlock application looks like. And to use the volume button to turn on or turn off our screen, we need to enable this feature, volume unlock. I'm going to click on the circle button and then I'm going to click on allow. Okay, and hold on. And after you activate the volume unlock feature, you'll be able to turn on or turn off your screen with volume button. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn on or turn off screen on Android phone without the power button. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.